Diyos ko.
Sunshine. I think I found it now. What I've been looking for. Isn't it beautiful? It's got my head all up.
Oo, tara. Uy, ambag. Hawakan ko na yung nakasulat sa pangalan.
No one knows how to feel it. I whisper in the air, humming softly to the leaving. I see a flame inside me, shining on the streets of mine. My soul was weakening. I found you. My words now complete.
Hello. Hi. Hello. How are you? Hello.
Hi, Van. Welcome.
Welcome. Thank you. Let's go outside. I want to have
Chat na lang natin. Chat. Asan na sila? Chat na lang natin ta.
Complete. I thought it was impossible. That's how things were to me. I love you, and it's not a memory. I'll lay down in your arms, and there's where I wanna be forever.
no more than 45 minutes to get there.
Do you like the flowers?
Oh yeah.
Ay, kaputi sa tiil. Ay. Yeah, I will. Sure, Sunny. How's the taste? Good. Picture tayo. No. Manang Elsa.
Ah, okay.
Ito sa akin, mabuyo.
Okay, count tayo. 1, 2, 3.
Ano yan, paputukin nila?
Oh, wait. Wait lang. 1.
Aray ko. Iisa pa yan.
Titi na naman.
Ayan.
Oh my God!
Yeah.
Oh my goodness! Wala kang pakandog na babae.
Ala ka, oy boy.
Puro
Na para namang hindi welcome yung baby. Kaya si Christopher natulala. Three boys, titit, my God.
Yan.
Oh my God!
Tinatagay.
Toy na lang.
1, 2, 3.
Ano ba dapat gawin para maging girl?
Sa'yo, sige. Sa'yo, Peng.
Sige na sina.
Ano ba dapat gawin para maging girl?
Wala, sige. Parang
Saan sige?
Kamali lang yan, ha? 1, 2, 3.
Sana nagkamali.
Sa sigip. Sige, okay. Sigip.
I'm super... Si Mucha kasi nagsabi yung kulit eh.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Bim Bim. Wish Bim, wish. Let's greet together. Happy birthday, Bim Bim. Happy birthday, Bim.
Happy birthday. Your wish is a secret? What kind of wish is that?
Oh, just for her.
Okay. Mama.
Happy birthday, Bim. Basic ayaw ko ng isa, oh. So, kaya ipaglit-lit niya diya. Yung parting bisihan ni Bim. Thank you, honey. Serve for you, though. Pour some more, honey. She likes paper lang. This is money.
Rock me on a dance.
You get the 2 drinks.
Founder's favorite. Thank you, sir. Sali Marites Pangkalian. Wow! Let's go! Dito ang mga people in the world. Hi! Welcome to my life. Ito po ang ikakasal. Nani sa stand ato yan.